The Ministry of Health is calling on citizens in quarantine and self-isolation to act responsibly. The plea comes after members of the Defense Force had to quell a situation at the Couva Hospital where the 40 people who tested positive for COVID-19 are being kept. Minister of Health Terrence Deyalsingh said the government can only help as far as the citizens will allow.
Preparatory school in Powder Magazine, which sent out a letter to parents stating that they will be open for business from today. We had to shut them down. And that is how you encourage community spread. Could you imagine if that little preschool, if we didn't shut them down today, the whole Western Peninsula could have had community spread?
Minister Deyalsingh reiterated that the virus will only be contained if those in quarantine follow the guidelines set out by the Ministry of Health. The health minister also had to take action against a preschool in Couva. According to reports, the principal of the preschool wrote to parents advising that the school will be open for business.
The 40 patients at Couva, we had to actually call the army in to talk to them, to behave themselves, to adhere to quarantine rules, and to stop violating the zones that we have put out for them. We had to call in the army to talk to these 40 patients. You are quarantined for a reason.
Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley also expressed surprise at a picture on the front page of the Express newspaper which defies the practice of social distancing. The front page displayed a couple in a warm embrace at the Piarco International Airport. The Prime Minister said the picture says that some people are either unaware or are not in sync with what government is trying to inculcate. He advised to stay away from people, especially if they've come from places where the facts are that there are high levels of infection. Trinidad and Tobago's government has been advocating for social distancing since COVID-19 began to spread.